everyone, I'm Nastya, and this is course I Can Read Russian. And today we will talk about very interesting and tricky Russian vowels. Ya, ye, yo, you, and why sometimes they read as two sounds and sometimes as one, and how to determine and how we need to read them. Let's take a look. So, first type of reading ya, ye, yo, you as one sound. For this, we need to know corresponding counterpart, which is ya, a, ye, yo, o, and you, u. Literally, corresponding counterpart is like vowel that you hear after saying y. So you make y plus this vowel, and you have ya. For example, y plus a, ya, ya. So, first type of reading ya, ye, yo, you is one sound. You just need to find corresponding counterpart in the position after the consonant. What is corresponding counterpart? It's actually a vowel you hear when you pronounce y plus a, ya, right? When we pronounce ya, first sound y and second sound a. So corresponding counterpart, it's a. For ye, it's e. Y plus e, ye. Yo, y plus o, yo. And for you, y plus u, you. So we read it as one sound after consonants. Mya. We don't read it as mya, right? As two sound, we don't read it. We read it as one sound, as a corresponding counterpart. Mya. Ma, mya. But it's just consonant who become soft. There's only one difference. We don't read vowel itself different. We just read consonant differently. Mya. M becomes soft. Ma, mya. Ne, не. Во, вё. Бу, бю. Ду, дю. Го, гё. Ле, ле. Ты, ти. Va, vya. So in the end, it's the same vowels. Va, vya. It's the same a. It's just v and v different because v hard and v soft. So first type of reading is one sound after consonant. Second type of reading as two sounds. As you know, ya, ye, yo, you is a combination of two sounds. Ye plus corresponding counterpart. A, e, o, u. And when we read it as two sounds, we read it as two sounds at the beginning of the word. So if ya, ye, yo, you stands first, it read it as two sounds. Very easy. For example, ёлка, ёлка, y plus o, ёлка, fruit tree. Если, y plus e, если, if. Яд, яд, y plus a. Юг, юг, y plus u. So, if you see ya, ye, yo, you in the beginning of the word, you read it as two sounds. So, when we read ya, ye, yo, you as two sounds as well, if this letters stays after soft or hard sign. For example, семь, я, because hard and soft sign separates our word. It's like yeah. Separate our word to the syllables. And after soft sign, we will read it as two sounds. Семья. Подъезд. Е plus э. Подъезд. Вьюга. Е plus у. Здоровье. Е plus э. So this is second case. And third case, after another vowel. So if you see two vowels together and one of them ya, ye, yo, you, they will read as two sounds. Июнь. Июнь. Е plus у. Задание. Е plus Маяк. Е plus а. Okay, let's have a little bit of practice. У, ю, а, ю. After another vowel. А я, и я. Ие, ие. Ое, ойо. Иё, ию. Клиент, клиент. Диета, диета. Е plus cause after another vowel E. Экскурсия. E plus a because after another vowel E. Каюта. U, two sounds because after another vowel a. Прием. Прием after vowel E. Компьютер. Компьютер. You read as two sounds after soft sign. Тер. T very soft because T before E. So computer. Okay, this is it. I think it was pretty simple and fast. So now you know one of the reading rules in Russian language. This is all part of the big course I Can Read Russian. This absolutely free course you can join and you can start with alphabet. This is part 4. Before we already took a look on soft and hard signs. We already went through 33 letters of Russian alphabet. And today we talked about reading rules of ya, ye, yo, you. You can find in this playlist more useful video about Russian alphabet and reading rules. And follow, you will find way more interesting about Russian language. Bye-bye.